How's it going, YouTube? Currently, we are on the road. Me, Caleb, we got Will in the back.
What's up?
We are headed to look at a F-250 that we forgot that we put a bid on. This one only had 2 pictures on Facebook Marketplace. And so I messaged the lady and said, hey, do you mind sending me more pictures? And she said, hey, I know nothing about the truck. It's actually for an estate sale. She was pretty much just taking offers on it. She had no interior pictures of the truck. Couldn't give me any other pictures of it. And I was like, and she said, do you just want to put an offer in on it? And I'll let you know if you outbid anyone else, blah, blah, blah. I was like, sure. So me and Caleb weren't really interested at that point. So we just put in a low ball offer on it and I actually totally forgot about the truck. And we were headed like 2 or 3 days ago looking at another second gen Dodge. We were interested in buying it and fixing it up. That one ended up falling through, but on the way back, this lady ended up texting us back and saying, hey, you guys won the bid, are you still interested? We had totally forgot last week we would put a bid on this truck. So like I said, we know nothing about it. We don't know if it's 2-wheel drive, we don't know if it's 4-wheel drive. There's only 2 pictures of it. We don't even know if there's a motor in it or a trans. We don't know how bad the tires are. We literally know nothing about it. So you guys, once we get there, will be seeing it for the first time as we are. But yeah, so we're headed there right now, and well, hopefully we are either getting really lucky or we're getting kind of screwed, because it seems like, because our bid was low, so we were the highest bidder. That's pretty bad.
We're used to getting screwed over. So.
Yeah, we're used to getting screwed on trucks, so but it's just a fun thing to do. So we are gonna try. Hopefully, it's in decent enough condition where we still buy it. So yeah, you guys will be seeing it for the first time as we are. So we'll catch up with you once we get there.
Okay, this has got to be it right here. It's the red F-250 right here, guys.
Well, here she is. It's a 1990. Oh, it's actually, well, it says F-350 on the paperwork, but it's actually an F-250. And I don't know if it's a gas or... Caleb, it's a diesel. Is it actually a diesel? Oh, is that a rat nest in the hood? Never a good sign when you walk up to a truck and it's full of car parts.
It's got a plastic bed line. Pretty cool. Need some new shocks.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sweet. It's got marine outfits in it.
Well, this will be my our first Ford diesel. We're Dodge guys, so we didn't know what we were coming up on. But it looks like we might have got lucky.
91,000 original?
91,000 miles, you're saying?
91,000 miles.
I wonder if that even works. So, dang, look at this interior, man. Dude, this is gonna be, once we detail this.
Dude, this is gonna be brand. Dude, this interior is gonna be brand new. Check this thing out, bro.
Hey, we got a set of jumper cables.
Hunter, if we find a gun in here, it's mine. I call it. What if we find it?
There's a sun visor behind the seat. I see that.
This gentleman here, he just bought that truck over there. He said there was
Yeah, the guys you guys keep hearing in the background. There's another guy that
under the seat.
he bought the other Ford. So we just happened to get here at the same time. He said he was interested in this one, but I guess we outbid him on it and he ended up getting the Ford over there. But I guess they're selling all these cars and trucks. That's why that truck also has a sign on it. It's also part of the estate sale. Yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Caleb checked the coolant and it's pretty much new. There's definitely a nest in the intake, so we'll have to figure that out. I don't think it's 4-wheel drive.
No, it's not 4-wheel drive.
Not 4-wheel drive.
It's not 4-wheel drive.
But it does have dual tanks.
It's gonna be new to me. Hunter, we could re-dye this driver's seat. It's a little faded, but that's it. I think it's gonna come back.
Caleb's kind of going through this driver's side real quick, seeing if he sees anything interesting.
I'm a gun nut. I want guns.
He said he's looking for guns, so I guess the other guy said he found a gun in his or something. But I was kind of peeking underneath here, and it definitely will need tires because that one has already got cracks in the side. So hopefully that doesn't give us any issues when we're winching it onto the trailer. We kind of peeked in here already. It's got a bed liner and a bunch of just random stuff in the back. It looks like, actually, there's a spare right there. So there's an axe over there. But all in all, for what we paid for it, not too bad so far.
Look at this. Can we get any luckier with this one? You got literally the part we probably need to start it. You already bought it. That's
Caleb just found a fuel pump, so.
Warranty on the car quest, huh?
Nah. That was the fuel pump that was sitting in the passenger seat when we first pulled up. I was talking about, but it might be just a fuel pump is out, and maybe that's what all it needs to get the truck started.
I just realized it's got AC too.
It's got AC.
I wasn't even looking at it. It's got AC, dude. Holy crap! Dude, there's so much stuff behind the seat too.
Yeah, I can't wait till we get back to the shop so we can kind of start tearing into stuff. What is that?
How does the seat come out? How does the seat come out? Is there a lever over there, man? Dude, look, Hunter, it's even got the, dude, the headliner is perfect.
Yeah, there's a lever right here.
I like this little rack back here to hold the tools.
Yeah, I was telling him this thing is freaking sweet.
I might need that breaker bar.
New Phillips head, got ratchet straps.
As you can tell, Caleb's pretty excited. I mean, this truck is just full of goodies, so it's kind of cool to see. It's kind of like I was telling you guys on the way up here, we didn't even plan on buying this truck. We put a low ball in, just kind of be nice, like, hey, you know, we're not really interested, but here's, you know, somewhat of an offer. And she called us and said, hey, you guys won, so come pick it up. We got kind of nervous because obviously if you put in a low ball offer and you're the winner, maybe we didn't see something that other people are seeing, I guess you could think. Caleb's about to hook the batteries up. We're going to see if we can't.
Dude, what if the AC just blows cold as nuts?
We're going to see if we can't roll those windows up because the passenger side window is rolled down. Oh, we got beeping.
We got beeping?
We got beeping. Hooked up.
Hold on. We'll hook both of them up just for shits and giggles.
We got more beeping.
Got more beeping? Come over here, guys. Hold on. Look at this window, too. This window's down, too. Hunter, look.
We got a check engine light.
I wonder if this was underneath a barn. If it, dude, it rolls up. Holy shit.
See if the passenger side.
Rolls down.
It's going up. It's just a little
slow.
The battery. You might have to go help it out. The battery might just be a little low. Oh, we got a little bit of radio. All right, let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
At least that's a little bit better than what it was. There it goes.
Motor's a little weak, but hey, driver's side rolls up. Hey, check the auto locks.
Oh, the auto locks.
They work. Auto locks.
Let's see. No.
No.
The battery might be low too, though.
Definitely low, so. But the radio is still working. The speakers still work, which is crazy.
Oh, we got the. Looks like there's a key that says fuel. I don't know if they're locking gas caps. Oh, they are. Let's see if the.
Even the light.
Oh, both of them are. What's that?
Even the light in the glove box works. I wonder what this switch goes to.
I don't know.
What does that go to?
I'll probably do a little
fuel pump or something, maybe.
I'm gonna do a little research, do a little investigation.
Aftermarket. It looks aftermarket.
Dome lights on right now.
Look at this. Hunter, even the other ones work. Both of them.
What's that?
Even these work, dude. Look.
Oh, nice.
Bro, that is crazy. Holy crap! This thing's 33 years old, and that's not.
Okay, Caleb's moving the truck and trailer forward right now. I think the game plan is we're gonna hop in it, put it in neutral, steer the wheel, kind of back it into the driveway, and then pull it, or I should say winch it, onto the trailer. So yeah, wish us luck.
1, 2, 3. She's going.
All right, keep it going, keep it going. Keep it going.
Can you steer or no?
Keep it going.
Oh, so we're good. All right.
You're getting close to this side.
that side, from the tire to the end of the trailer. How many inches?
From the back or the front?
This side.
Oh, you got like 3 inches. You're good. I'll tell you if you get close. Alright, we just stopped here a couple times over, just grabbed some dinner. Just kind of give you guys an update on the truck so far. Got it on the trailer, got a couple straps on her, holding her down. She's a little rough on the bottom, to say the least. She's got a little rust on her. But all in all, we're pretty happy with the purchase. I'm pretty excited to get it back and start working on it. Apparently this guy was a doomsday prepper. He was big on like survivalists and stuff like that. So what he would do is he would buy these old diesel trucks and just wouldn't sell them and just go buy another diesel truck. So it could be something simple just wrong with it. But I guess he had enough money where he would just instead of just fixing it, he would just go buy another one. So that's why you kept seeing like the older Fords in the background, because apparently he was a big Ford guy. Because from what the lady was saying, is with these 7.3s, you pretty much can run them with like no electronics on it. So he was just big on kind of being off the grid, stuff like that. And it's actually, there's a bunch of clothes and stuff in the rear. I'll show the next video of us unpacking everything, but there's like extra clothes and everything, as you guys probably saw before. But yeah, this is a pretty cool find. Caleb and Will are already loaded up in the truck, so we're about to head off to the shop, and I'll catch up with you guys there. Alright, we made it back to the shop. Unloading the F-250 now. We hadn't even came up with a name for it yet. But Caleb's taking the straps off now. Probably gonna have to hook up my truck to this one and kind of pull it off this trailer, kind of give it some motivation, because we're kind of parked at an incline right now on the F-150 squatting a little bit. So about to run around, grab my truck, hook it up, and see if we can't pull this bad boy off. Alright guys, it is the next day. I was just editing this video and realized I never recorded an outro, so we're going to run outside and kind of do a quick rundown on the new truck. We did take the batteries out, and it seems like they are holding a charge, so that's great news. It'll save us a little bit of money. We're going to walk out here, take a look at the truck. It seems like the more and more we learn about this truck, the better it gets and the cooler the story gets. So the lawyer that me and Caleb have been talking to is the one representing the family. And from what she's telling us, that he was like a big survivalist slash like doomsday prepper. And I guess he had like a couple like underground bunkers just stocked up with like toilet paper, toothpaste, stuff like that. But he loved these old 7.3 diesels. So I'm sure you guys know these are pretty reliable trucks and they're pretty easy to tinker on, but he loved these old trucks. But it seemed like whenever he would have an issue with one, instead of bringing it into town and fixing it, he would just go ahead and just go buy another old 7.3 truck. That's why there was a couple of them in the background. And another thing, if you notice, it has Texas plates on the front and rear. So I guess whenever he would buy one, he would never put it in his name. So I don't know if that was to avoid taxes or to avoid like the government knowing what he has, but it seemed like he was pretty prepared for anything. But we were super excited to have this. This is actually me and Caleb's first 7.3 Ford diesel. So as you guys probably know, we're Dodge guys, and while we have a second gen. So we're pretty excited to have this one, kind of tinker with it and learn on these old 7.3 trucks. I don't know how much we're going to get into. We definitely want to, of course, update it. Obviously buff the headlights, buff the paint. We haven't even looked inside the cab besides what we showed whenever we picked the truck up. So we haven't gone through like underneath the seats and behind it. We went a little bit behind it and seen what was back there, but as for actually just kind of cleaning it out and seeing what's all in here, like in the door panels and in the bed, we kind of just popped the tailgate to kind of see what was in there. But we are going to film a video on what we find in here. Hopefully we have some, you know, some goodies. Obviously that's the air filter for the truck, jumper cables. That's apparently a fuel pump that Caleb was talking about. He did upload a video on this truck that was pretty good. So definitely go check it out if you haven't. But I'm probably gonna go ahead and end the video out here. The next video you guys see on this truck will probably just be detailing the inside, seeing what we find. Like I said earlier, hopefully there's some goodies in it. But that'll probably be the next video. Then we'll probably do a detailing type video on it and kind of just cleaning up all the, you know, tree sap that's all on it. There's like mold on this back corner. It looks like this side was probably underneath the tree because this one was the worst side. And there's like a wasp's nest and stuff like that inside here. So definitely needs a good cleaning. So be on the lookout for those videos. But until next time, guys, I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you in the next one.